you leaving money on the table because you have some mindset issues when it comes to selling? For instance, are you often offering discounts without even being prompted for them just because you worry about what the other person is going to say or do that would cause you to feel uncomfortable in that conversation when you're selling? This is a mindset issue. And frankly, many of my clients come to me with this exact thing. And these can be people that are just starting out in sales in their business. And these are people who've maybe been in business for years and built very successful businesses. So it's not uncommon. Now, when you find yourself in these situations where you're just knocking money off your price because you're not sure, like, how are they going to respond when you throw your price out there? That is an indicator that there is some kind of breakdown in your sales process and it can be easily fixed. I've worked with hundreds of women privately to help them figure out what that thing is that's getting in their way and how to strengthen their selling skills so that when they find themselves in that situation, they actually, it like the problem disappears because they have set themselves up with the skill set and the process for the way that they sell, that this no longer even becomes an issue. It kind of is like they kind of even can't discount anymore off their pricing without like having kind of a discussion with the client. So there is a way to do this. It's just about strengthening your selling skills. So if you find yourself in this situation, please stop beating yourself up. And it's just time to explore how to strengthen your selling skills so that you don't find yourself randomly offering discounts off your pricing and really selling yourself and your business short. All right, I'm Nikki Rausch. And if you need some assistance with this, please reach out. It would be my honor to serve you.